guys, this is Smriti. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome, and if you guys have already been subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for subscribing. And today's video would be the top products that I would recommend from 21 Days of Beauty during the Ulta sale, especially the spring one. And this is going to start from March 14th to April 3rd. I'm going to look a little bit there and here just because I am looking at my notes. So bear with me for that. And this is the time when you are going to snag up your products, especially during this sale. If there was anything that you were like eyeing, this is the right time to snag it. Now, for my people who do not have Ulta Beauty near your place, I would definitely recommend checking out the Sephora website. They generally do price match, especially for the brands that are in both Ulta as well as Sephora. Sephora does price match, so stay tuned for that. Everything from March 14th to April 3rd, whatever is on deal, will be mentioned in the description box below, so definitely do check. I am only gonna speak the products that I would recommend personally. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So for the first week, on March 14th, that is Sunday, IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream, which is 2 ounce, would be $24.50, which is originally priced at $49. I would definitely recommend that. It's a very thick cream. So if you are on an oily skin type, I would not recommend that. But it's a very thick moisturizing cream. So if you are of a drier skin concern person, then definitely do check that out. On March 15th, that is a Monday, Smashbox Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer, which is 1 ounce, is going to be $18.50, originally priced at $37. I have heard great things about this primer. It's a very moisturizing and a gripping primer. Personally, I have not tested it out, but if you were eyeing it, this would be a great opportunity to snag it. On March 19th, we have Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighters for $19, originally priced at $38. Now, I own Becca's Rose Gold Highlighter, and that is what I'm wearing on my cheeks today, just so that you guys can see how it looks. But obviously, Champagne Pop is amazing. Opal is amazing, especially if you are like of medium tan skin tone. I would definitely recommend that. I personally would check out for Champagne Pop. I'm not pretty sure, especially because Becca is going out of business in September. A lot of products are going to be on sale. I personally feel like during the time frame, but yes, their highlighters are like one of the best selling items of Becca, so definitely do check that out. So on the same day, IT brushes for Ulta would be on sale for $11 to $14, originally priced at $22 to $28. So do check on that. I personally do have brush. It's an airbrush blurring foundation brush number 101. It's good. It's pretty soft. It's definitely really good for like buffing foundation. If you are eyeing that, I would definitely recommend that. But can you find this quality brush in the drugstore? I think Real Techniques can offer the same quality. So just keep that in mind, but I would definitely recommend if you were eyeing on it, this would be the great time to try it. I personally also picked out mine in the last fall sale for Ulta. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that. On March 20th, that is Saturday, Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara is on sale for $13, originally priced at $26. I have like 3 minis lying around here. That's why I do not have like the full size. But just for a reference, this is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. It gives a very fluffy, voluminous lash, and the bristle is like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. That truly is a dupe for this. But yes, if you were eyeing like a high-end mascara and you do like those kind of like an hourglass shaped bristle, I would definitely recommend that. Let's move on to the week 2. On March 21st, that is a Sunday, Buxom's full-on plumping lip creams are on sale for $10.50, originally priced at $21. I personally did pick mine out also on like last to last spring sale, I think. I have 2 with me. I have one in the shade Mudslide and the other one in the shade White Russian. Both of them like super stunning lip gloss. I don't think you should like own everything, but just pick your colors that you wear on a regular basis. And it gives a very tingly feeling. I still can like feel it. This is what I have on my lips today. I have a mix of both actually. So let me just swatch it for you guys if you were looking. It gives a very glossy finish and like very plumping effect on the lips. Not like Too Faced lip injection, which would like give pain to you. This definitely has like a tingling sensation, but a good one, I would say. On the top one is White Russian, and on the bottom it is Mudslide. So if you were like just looking at the shades, I think both of these are really good, and I personally do like Buxom glosses a lot. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that. On the same day, Philosophy Purity Made Simple One-Step Facial Cleanser of 8 ounces would also be on sale for $12.50, originally priced at $25. I've heard a lot of good things about this Philosophy cleanser. I'm really glad that Ulta is doing like skincare also, not only makeup, because I know a lot of us are like focusing on skincare, especially during this time. So I would definitely check this out personally for me. Let's move on to March 22nd. Now this foundation I personally do not own. I have not tried, but I know that it is a favorite for a lot of people. I personally have heard Raw Beauty Kristi rave about this on and on. This is like her holy grail foundation. So if you are her skin type, I would definitely recommend that. So this is Pure 4-in-1 Long Wear Foundation. This would be at a sale price of $19, originally priced at $38. On the same day, this is what I'm going to pick up personally for me, which is Sunday Riley Power Couple Mini Kit, which would be at a sale price for $14, originally priced at $28. If I can get Sunday Riley, especially in a mini kit, because that's how I can like really test out the skincare for myself personally before investing in a full size one, I think this is an amazing kit to try out. Now let's move on. On March 27th, that is a Saturday, Tarte Maneater Mascara would be on sale for $11.50, originally priced at $23. I do own this, not my holy grail, but Tarte really has like good mascaras. It's by no means a bad mascara, but I'm not like wowed by it. But yes, if you were eyeing that product, this would really be the great time to snag it. Also on that day, they say that there's a surprise steal. I am very intrigued by the surprise steal factor. There are 2 running out throughout the sale time. So one would be on March 27th. So look out for that. I'm very intrigued. I am somehow feeling it's going to be either Anastasia palette, or I feel it's going to be like some Becca palette. Let's see. Let's move on to the final week 3. On March 28th, that is Sunday, Dermalogica Cleansing Gel, which is 8.4 ounce, would be at a sale price of $19.50, originally priced at $39. An amazing cleansing gel if you want to try out. I've personally tried out myself and I absolutely love this cleansing gel. So if you are on a hunt of a cleansing gel, I would definitely recommend this. Also on the same day, MAC Prep Prime Fix Primer and Setting Spray of 3.4 ounce would be of $14.50. This is like a cult favorite, you know, originally priced at $29. So personally, if you are on a hunt of MAC setting spray, this is the time to stock it up. On March 31st, which is a Wednesday, Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer is for $18, which is priced originally at $36. This, I think, I generally am very hesitant on like buying high-end primers, but this is the one to check out. It's a very gripping primer. This would last your makeup for the entire day. So I am very intrigued on that. The one thing that I'm definitely going to buy is on April 1st, that is a Thursday, KKW Beauty lip liners are going to be $6 each, originally priced at $12. $6 are basically lesser than the drugstore price. I'm definitely up for that. I really wanted to try KKW lip liners for a long time, and I have heard like beautiful things about their lip liners, and I do not own anything from KKW Beauty, so I think this would be the best time to snatch it. On the last day, that is April 3rd, Benefit's Roller Lash Mascara would be at the sale price of $13, originally priced at $26. And on the same day, Anastasia Brow Wiz would be at the sale price of $11.50, originally priced at $23. Again, these are like some of the staple products in the collection. So if you guys want to stock up on these things, I think it's a perfect time to snag it out. This is the day when the second surprise steal is also going to happen. So I am very intrigued about that. So these were my recommendation for this springtime 21 days of Ulta Beauty sales. So let me know down in the comment section below what are you most excited about and what are the products that you are going to pick out during this sale. But if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe before leaving and also ring that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post next. I generally upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!